Good morning, it's Janet McHugh. Have you got one of those little humidifiers? The base looks like this. And it's getting lime scale buildup inside, and it's hard to keep it clean, and you're going through a lot of water. I'll show you. Lime scales like this right here. See, right down in there. Let me put it on pause a second. So right there is the top of it. I was starting to get hard water buildup inside of it. It's upside down. It's filled with water and vinegar. I took the little nipple off of it. As you can see, it was getting a buildup. So I have put it over here in a little container of vinegar. This has water and vinegar in it. And I use these little cleaning fish. It's soaking in some water and vinegar because that helps them. Here is my filter and the filter holder. Let me just show you. We're starting to get some buildup down in there. Okay. Let me see if you can see that. Well, I'm not real good with the camera this way. Okay. It's definitely getting buildup in there. And I've soaked it with vinegar. I just got this sitting right here. It's a brand new filter. So, you soak those with vinegar. Just plain old white distilled vinegar. You let them soak. That'll help loosen it up. You might have to scrub at this a little bit. Let me just look real quick. Yeah, see, it's starting to come off there. Let it soak for a little bit, scrub it, rinse it real well, put it all back together, and you're good to go. Now, let me show you a couple tricks. If you're paying for purified water to put in, I don't know where I put my jug. If you're paying for purified water, which is refreshing spring water, about $1 a gallon, first of all, you can go to one of those machines and pay 35 cents a gallon, which is a lot better than going to a grocery store and paying $1 a gallon. I like saving money. I like saving money so much that I come to my trusty coffee pot. And let me go down. Do you know that if you run water through your coffee pot with a filter, it distills it, and you can use that in your humidifier also. I don't recommend it if you've got one of those that holds, like, 10 gallons at a pot, but if you've got a little one that holds 1 gallon, that works really well. Just make sure that you let the water cool. So I'll do like a pot, let it cool. I put it in the filter or through a funnel into the empty gallon jug. Fill that up, and I go through about a gallon a day, and it saves us some money. And when I get behind, I just go fill it at the machine for 35 cents, and I'm all caught up again. So that's my tip for the day on how to clean your humidifier. And since we live in Arizona, we use one all the time. I hope you enjoyed this little helpful video. This is just my cleaning tip for the day. Have a great day. You can find me right here on YouTube. Don't forget to go to my website, janetmchugh.com, and I'm on all sorts of social media also. Have a blessed day. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.